Hundreds of thousands of dollars found inside the dwelling of a mentally ill man.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Sections of Barnett Lane in Montego Bay, St. James, erupted in a frenzy recently when hundreds of thousands of dollars were discovered hidden in the personal belongings of a mentally challenged man living in the area. Scores of persons quickly gathered at the scene and stared in bewilderment on seeing cash being removed from dozens of orange juice boxes, bottles, and plastic bags. The mentally challenged man, who goes by the nickname Lion, has been living at the location since 1992. One resident said him bottle up all oil and sell taxi drivers, and him will help a man jack up him vehicle and get a smalls. But no one never know say him have so much money. Me there so from 1990, and me never know say Lion so rich. Lion took sick some time ago, and residents along Barnett Lane started to take notice that his condition was getting worse. Residents said they called in a medical team from the Cornwall Regional Hospital, and Lion was taken to the facility where he was treated and admitted. A female resident of Barnett Lane grew concerned at the state of his makeshift house and decided to clean up the environment. She received the shock of her life after she checked some of the garbage she was about to dispose of and discovered that some of the trash was stuffed with cash. Further search led to the discovery of hundreds of $100, $50, and $500 notes, which were stuffed away in items such as drink boxes and plastic bottles. Several residents lent a hand in counting the cash, but it was a hard task based on the large amount of small notes. The cash, which was estimated in the region of hundreds of thousands, was given to one individual for safekeeping.
Nobody can trouble nothing. Nobody can trouble
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.